Alright, Rockstars, how many of you guys saw the turbo video?
Turbo S2000.
Guess what? Let me tell you something, it's products like this that make me wish I had an S2000. F20 turbo, F22 turbo. Oh, I love these. Fun fact, guys, I looked around on YouTube and this is the first unboxing video for this brand new GReddy turbo kit. Air filter. Comes with an oil filter. Alright guys, so I'm pretty sure this isn't the carb legal kit, it says tuner kit. From last I read, I don't think they came out with the, but we'll see right now. We'll see. Like a cooling panel, Joe. Aluminium.
How many times do I have to tell you, stop eating these?
Don't tell me what to do. Wow, here's the fucking creme de la creme. Turbocharger installation instruction. You don't find that on eBay, right? Dang, yup. This kit features a GReddy GTX 2867R Gen 2 Turbo with the actuator set at 8 psi. That's beautiful. I love turbos. Intercooler piping, charge pipe. Downpipe, that's what I like the most. And a 3-inch stainless steel downpipe, which can be bolted to the OEM catalytic converter, or Rockstar Garage test pipe, or high flow cat. Would hold great the Rockstar Garage test pipe. New GReddy turbo kit.
New?
Brand new.
Like brand new, or like they just now?
Yeah, both. It's like a new design.
Oh.
Alrighty, Rockstars. So this is the tuner kit for the S2000, and we do have another one of these available, ready to ship if you're interested, or if you're local, we can have this installed for you. And if you're missing engine management and injectors, we could go ahead and help you out with that. That's one thing you have to keep in mind with this kit is you will need a new ECU and you will need a good size injector to run. Can't do it on stock. And this is a newly designed cast stainless steel manifold. I think it looks much better than the last one. And this is GReddy's famous Type 28 tube and fin front mount style intercooler. I'm just kidding. I don't know if it's famous, but looks good. Check this out, guys. It also comes with some OEM gasket, OEM Honda gasket, and some
GReddy gasket, it looks like there too. Pretty cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna put all the pieces on top of the box so we can see everything together. I'm just gonna leave these pieces out just so you know they're not missing.
So GReddy says that this package produces a linear power band with almost no turbo lag. Great for street, track, and autocross, where throttle response and drivability are key. That makes perfect sense.
Alrighty guys, as you can see, this kit pretty much comes with everything except what you will need is engine management, ECU, Honda. Well, also you're gonna need injectors.
Alrighty guys, we have these now at Rockstar Garage. Let us know if you're ready to go turbo. Let us know if you're ready to become a rock star.
JDM zip ties.
There's two other things I noticed with this kit that are kind of bothering me. For one, that was the only sticker this kit came with. What's up with that, GReddy? And two, there is no blow-off valve. So we're currently standing by waiting for GReddy's response into what's going on with the blow-off valve. I'm assuming it's some kind of diverter that just recirculates right back into that turbo. Sound off in the comments below, guys. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll let you know as soon as GReddy gets back to us. I really hope they can get rid of the blow-off valve. That's probably my favorite part.
Alrighty, Rockstars, so there you have it. Brand new GReddy turbo kit. Come get yours. So looks like this car will be the first donor car that will be getting this GReddy kit. I hope we could sell them some better wheels. Just kidding, I love you, drag. I'm a drag queen. Wow, James. Car's looking good, dude. Yeah, man, you've been working so hard on your car. I just, there's a turbo kit for you, dude. That's a Garrett turbo made with GReddy. The rest of the kit's inside. Just good job, man.
That's it. This video gets 1,000 likes.
1,000 likes? You'll buy it?
1,000 likes.
Guys, I really want James to buy a turbo kit for his beautiful S2000.
1,000 likes and I'll put this inside.
Alright, dude, you said it.
Let's see if it happens.
Alright, cool. Take your shirt off.